Hi, welcome back. So in this video, we are going to create a WordPress plugin that can help us to uh, create a scrolling effect where we can type anything and it will show like a scroller type of text. Okay, so I have something in mind. I'm not quite sure about how I'm trying to explain it to you, but still, let's try to create this out and you will understand that on the way over. Okay, so here I have the fresh WordPress installed, nothing in it. It's a blank WordPress. Okay. So let's jump back to Claude and try to write it out. Okay. So we are going to do this as a step by step. I need to create a WordPress plugin where the content will be seen by scrolling. So maybe like scroll reveal. Okay. Like scroll reveal animator. Next thing, make sure the plugin is compatible with blocks and Elementor and most of the themes. Okay, we got this sort out. Also, the plugin needs to be fully secure and not prone to hacks. Okay, so let's hit enter and try to wait this out. Hi, welcome back. So here we have the plugin created. Let's download this and try to install it in our project. Let's open the downloads folder, open this zip file, copy everything, go to the project, WP content, plugins, and paste here. Okay, let's go back to the browser, go back to the WordPress admin panel, hit refresh, and go to the plugins. And now try to activate that plugin and see if it works or not. Let's activate this. It's activated. Let's check it out. Okay, let's go to any page, edit that page, and now try to add it as a block. Let me check if we have, okay, we have options in the settings. So animation duration, travel pixel distance, easing animation, animate once, and we do have some selectors as well as. Okay, so we are not going to touch that. Let's go back to there and now try to create a block. Let's see what we have. Scroll. I'm not quite sure how we going to use that. Okay, just like that. Gutenberg select a box, sidebar, spot review panel. Let's hit a sidebar. Okay, we do have that here. Okay, it's animating the whole page. That's good. Let's do fade up. Not quite sure. Let's say 500. Let's save this page. Now try to check this out. I'm not seeing anything here. Let's refresh once more. Nothing is here. I'm not quite sure how this will work. Okay, we need to select that particular block section. Okay, now try this. Animate, fade in. Let's say 500. Let's save this. And now try to refresh it. Okay, it looks nice. Let's do this as well. Animate, fade in. Let's use it as a 500. Now this one as well. Fade in. Let's go back to 500. Do that also. Fade in 500. And last one too. Fade. Let's do fade up 500. Let's refresh this. Refresh that page. And now check it out. Okay. As we scroll, it will automatically do that. Let's create multiple copies, duplicate, let's duplicate, and let's duplicate that as well. Now save it, go back to that sample page, hit refresh, and here we have that. Looks nice and simple and easy to use. Let's change the behavior from fade in to fade up as well, that too. So it will create like a cool effect. Okay, let's do fade as well. This too, fade up. Okay, fade up, and that one too. Oh, it already does. Let's hit enter. Now, pretty good. So with the help of this, we can easily convert any section to a slowly fading effect. Okay, so it's a simple, small plugin, but with the help of this certain things, we can easily create a wonderful effect to the website. Okay, so let's wrap this up. In this video, we have learned how we can create a simple yet elegant plugin that can help us to animate any section as we want. Okay, so the plugin code is in the my GitHub repository. I will paste the GitHub repository link in the video description. You can download that from there. Okay, and if you want, you can follow along all the steps with me and create a customized version for yourself as well. Okay, thank you. Bye bye. See you in the next video.